Hi everyone, welcome to lecture 2 or the episode 2 of our series NCERT फर्रा। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेल साइकिल एंड सेल डिवीजन। द गोल ऑफ दिस सेशंस आर कि 15 से 20 मिनट में हम कैसे एक्टिव कॉलिंग करके ये कोई भी चैप्टर रिवाइज कर ले। बिना किसी देरी के स्टार्ट करते हैं। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में सारे खुद करा लूंगा और बाकी के ट्रू फॉल्स ये सब आप खुद कर लेना, नहीं तो वीडियो लंबी हो जाती। ऑल ऑर्गेनिज्म स्टार्ट्स लाइफ फ्रॉम अ सिंगल सेल। Growth and reproduction are characteristics feature of cells. All cells reproduce by dividing into two. Newly formed daughter cells can grow and divide, forming a new cell population from a single parent, and it's called progeny. Cells of growth division allow a single cell to form structure with millions of cells. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Cell division is a very important process in all living organisms involving DNA reproduction, replication, and cell growth. Processes like cell division, DNA replication, cell growth must occur in a coordinated manner to ensure correct division and formation of progeny cells with intact nucleus or genomes. The sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome, synthesizes other constituents, and divide into two daughter cells is termed as cell cycle. Cell growth in terms of cytoplasmic increase is a continuous process, but DNA synthesis occurs only one specific stage. S. Replicated chromosomes are distributed to daughter nuclei by complex event during cell division, which are under hormonal genetic which are under genetic control. A typical eukaryotic cells, illustrated by human cells in culture, divide once approximately every 24 hours. 24 hours में होता है. The duration of cell cycle varies from organism to organism, from cell type to cell type. Each progress in 20 minutes. The cell cycle is divided into two basic phases: M phase, mitotic phase, or interphase, या resting phase. M phase represents actual cell division or mitosis, while interphase is the phase between two successive M phase, mitosis phase. In 24-hour human cycle, cell division properly lasts only about an hour, while interphase lasting more than 95%. M phase starts with nuclear division separated by chromosome. यहाँ karyokinesis पूछ रहा है, and usually end with division of cytoplasm, cytokinesis. Interphase, called the resting phase, involves cell growth and DNA replication in an orderly manner. Interphase is divided into three phases: G, S, or ये. G phase is an interval between two meiosis and initiation of DNA replication. The cell is metabolically active, grow continuously, but does not replicate DNA. S phase marks period of DNA synthesis where from 2C to 4C. In S phase, there is no chrome if deployed 2 and it remains 2N after S. तो देख रहे हो हम कैसे कैसे यही सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जो आपको एमसीक्यू में पूछेंगे, और आप इस पीडीएफ को 4-5 बार जब भी रिवाइज करोगे, लगाओगे, तो आपको बहुत बेनिफिट होगा. In animal cell, during S phase, DNA replication begins in the DNA replication nucleus में होता है and central to G2 phase involves synthesis of proteins in preparation for mitosis. Some adults animal heart cell do not divide. ऐसे coincide stage where they are mitochondrial Q0 कह रहा हूँ. In animal, mitotic division is seen in diploid somatic cell, but exception includes haploid cell division. Example, male infertile bee, male honey bee, sorry, infertile भी होती है वो. Plant shows mitotic division in both haploids and diploid cells. तो हमारा एक तो हो गया, पानी पी लेते हैं एक से. अब पढ़ते हैं एम फेज। एम फेज इज द मोस्ट ड्रामेटिक पीरियड ऑफ सेल साइकिल इन्वॉल्विंग मेजर reorganization of virtually all cell components. Since chromosome number in parent and M phase is also called equational division, हमने पढ़ा था। Mitosis 4 stage में divide होती है nuclear. Mitosis is divided into 4 stages of nuclear division: karyokinesis, metaphase, anaphase. ये भी हो गया, आगे चलते हैं। Prophase, first stage of karyokinesis involved follows S and G, SN G2 phase of interface. नहीं, SN G2. In SN G2, new DNA molecules are not distinct but intervalent. ये जो वर्ड है ना, बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं होगा, पर आप ऐसे रिवाइज कर दो तो आपको पता चलता है। Prophase is marked by initiation of condensation of chromosome material, which becomes during chromosome condensation, chromatin condensation. Sorry. The centrosomes duplicated during S phase begin to move opposite poles. Completion of chromosome material condenses to form a composed of two chromatids. Each centromere radiates microtubule called and two esters with spindle fibers from a mitotic esters. At the end of prophase, cell viewed under microscope do not show Golgi compresses endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear membrane और nuclear envelope. आगे बढ़ते हैं। Complete disintegration of nuclear envelope marks the start of metaphase. Condensation of chromosome is completed, allowing clear observation under microscope for morphological study. Metaphase chromosome consists of two chromatids held by centromere. Small dish shape structure at centromere surface are called kinetochores. देखो कैसा होता है, एक chromatids, दो chromatids, two sister chromatids. ये मैंने जब पढ़ रहे थे जब भी बताया था और एक डायग्राम भी बनाया था. Chromosomes lie at the center or equator. The plane of chromosome align at metaphase in the metaphasic plate. Key features: spindle fiber attached to kinetochores. At onset of anaphase, each chromosome at metaphase plate moves or splits. Two daughter chromatids, now two daughter chromosomes. As chromosomes move, centromere direct towards poles, with chromosomes arm trailing. Anaphase is characteristic by centromere and chromatid separates. Splits. At the beginning of telophase, chromosome at poles decondense या मतलब decondense हो जाते हैं और individuality lose होते हैं. Decondense. Individual chromosome no longer seen, chromatids collects at two poles. Key events: chromosome cluster identical discrete units या elements कह सकते हो. Nuclear envelope develops around cluster at each corners या poles. वही न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एनवलप या न्यूक्लियोलस reappears. Mitosis segregates duplicate chromosome into daughter, followed by the cytokinesis, separation of cytoplasm. In animal cells, cytokinesis is achieved by animal cell furrow into two halves. Plant cell undergoes by different cell plate होता है वैसे तो mechanism. In plant cell plate. New cells walls formation begins with simple precursor called New begins with simple preger representing material at cytoplasmic division. Organelles mitochondria distributed between two daughter cells. In some organelles, karyokinesis not multinuclear condition called synexium. इसका आंसर ये है, मैंने करा नहीं रहा, वो दिख गया. Mitosis or equally is usually restricted to diploid cells. In some lower plants and social insects, haploid cells. Mitosis produce diploid cells with material. Growth of multicellular is due to mitosis. Cell growth, distant nucleus restores nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Significant or contribution of mitosis, cell growth, cell repair, mitotic apical lateral meristem, apical lateral cambium. Production of अब meiosis पे आ गए. Production of offspring indicate to fusion of two daughter cells, two gametes. Gametes formed from specialized diploid cells. Special division during chromosome number called meiosis. Fertilization restored diploid phase. Meiosis occurs during gamete formation, gametogenesis. In meiosis, no two sequential, meiosis 1, but only single cell DNA replication. Meiosis 1 initiated after replicates to providing sister chromatids. Identical sister chromosomes or chromatids? Then chromosomes. Chromatids, no? Meiosis involves pairing of homologous chromosomes and meiosis involves pairing of and chromatids and chromosomes and between and recombination. 4 haploid cells are formed. अब प्रोफेज 1 ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, फटाफट करते हैं, देखते कितना आता है. आज सुबह ही पढ़ा है आपने. प्रोफेज 1 लेप्टोटीन जाइगोटीन पैचिटीन ड्यूरिंग क्रोमोसोम अंडर लाइट इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप. Compaction continues throughout leptotype. Zygote involves chromosome pairing called chromosome pairing synapses. Synaptimal complex. Complex formed by pair of synapses is called bivalent or tetrad. First two stages, prophase 1 are relatively short compared to pachytene. During pachytene, 4 bivalent distinct appearing as during pachytene, bivalent chromosome distinct appearing as tetrads. Pachytene is recombination nodules, crossing over process involving change of genetic material. Genetic material change. Crossing over leads to changing of genetic material. Recombination between homologous and by pachytene, leaving chromosome linked at the site of crossing over. Diplotin begins separating except chiasmata, except crossing sites of crossing over. In oocyte, diplotin lasts for months or years. Final stage of meiotic digress is marked by terminalization of chiasmata. During the chromosome meiotic spindles, by the end of dichonesis, nuclear membrane breaks down. Transition to dichonesis represent transition to metaphase. Bivalent equatorial plate, microtubule attached to centromere of a chromosome. Homologous chromosomes splits. Nuclear membrane followed by in telophase 1 nuclear membrane nuclear followed by organelles. नहीं 22 cytokinesis. In many cases, chromosome undergo some dispersion but do not reach extended state of separate nucleus now of interkinesis. Interphase nucleus. Stage between two interkinesis. Interkinesis much simpler that prophase 1. बिल्कुल मस्त तरीके से अपन ने कर लिया. आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आराम से कर लोगे ना। एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा पक्का आता है और हमेशा आएगा, और इस बार भी आएगा। लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे, देखो, नीट 2026 क्वेश्चन पक्का आएगा यहाँ से। Meiosis II cytokine usually before chromosome fully condensed, fully elongated, sorry. In contrast to resemble normal mitosis, band of prophase 2। बहुत अब तो ऐसे समझा दिया ना 2 पेज में। ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन होंगे, ऐसे ऐसे। इन मेटाफेज टू क्रोमोसोम माइक्रोटोपियल अटैच टू centromere kinetochores of sister chromatid and because splitting of chromatids, shortening of attached to kineto, shortening of अरे वो क्या होता है, वो टेट्राड्स। टेट्राड्स spindle fiber, telophostomiosis and with forming tetrads of cells। अब ये सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मियोसिस है, कंजर्व क्रॉस जनरेशन, half variability evolution। सिंपल समरी का है, कर लेना, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। तो बस ऐसे ही हमने कितने में 16 मिनट में बहुत अच्छे से जो मेन मेन लाइंस है जहाँ से क्वेश्चन आने की संभावना है वो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया। सो दिस वाज द वीडियो। मिलते हैं कल, और जब भी अगली वो स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से अगली वीडियो है। सो हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय बाय, एंड कीप मेकिंग योर पेरेंट्स प्राउड, कीप हसलिंग एंड कीप वर्किंग आउट। बाय बाय।